Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. This is an exciting engineering feat I'm sharing with you today. We got a two-piston, four-cylinder engine here. This could be comparably considered a one-stroke engine. Let's dive right into it. I'm going to preface this by saying not everything's perfectly worked out here, but we got the gist of something that could potentially be cool. It took a lot of joints to get this thing going. Um, I'll give you a little animation of what's going on here. Basically, two pistons, counterweight, crankshaft of sorts, and you got a radial engine which has characteristics of a one-stroke engine. You can see if you use it like a two-stroke, you'd have intake on the side here, intake, compression, bam, combustion, exhaust, and you would be constantly switching between all of those different events. Let me hide this here. You can actually see what's going on. It's kind of beautiful to watch. I'm honestly mesmerized. Not sure why I put the heat sinks on there. This isn't exactly going to get hot right now, but this is just a visual representation of what I think could potentially be pretty cool. Um, Anyways, donate to my Patreon so I can actually fund this thing because I'm currently broke. But anyways, look at what we got here. This is V2. Give you the bottom view. Animate. This one much faster, as you can see. We can go ahead and put the heads on. This would be a liquid cooled design. Four cylinders, two pistons, same as before. Uh, this is, I mean, I've never run one, so I wouldn't know the specs, but I'm assuming it could be a high output, low weight engine, something you'd see in like, I don't know, a snowmobile or a chainsaw or your lawnmower. I don't know. I'd just like to build a prototype. I think it'd be pretty cool. It might blow up, it might not work. You can see I put some ports in here. I was thinking this would be an intake. Intake sucks it in. Um, Exhaust covers on the sides here. And you got your ports. You can rotate that to line it up and then put like a fan. Sorry about this assembly. It didn't exactly mate ideally. Obviously your crankshaft's not going to oscillate in the Z direction. That would not be ideal. Point being the pistons are the main focus here. Um, I'm pretty proud of it. I mean, obviously, you're gonna blow a little bit out the sidewall here, but I think it's pretty cool. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I will continue development and maybe we'll even make a prototype, see if we can get it running. Obviously, you got a large stroke here and your compression isn't exactly the whole thing, but I'm assuming you would be able to get some compression in here. Obviously, you'd be punching a little bit out, but it'd get recycled because it's getting punched out into this, which would then get sucked back in. So it would take a little bit of finesse to get the thing to actually pump air, but it is 100% possible. Um, and I'm excited to make it happen.